Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's first question, Kaziranga National Park is in which state? Options are Tripura, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland. Right option is B, Assam. Next question, Bihu dance form is associated with dash state of India. Options are Maharashtra, Assam, Kerala, Punjab. Right option is B, Assam. Next question, in terms of area, India is the dash largest country in the world. Options are 3rd, 6th, 7th, 9th. Right option is C, 7th. Next question, which city in India is associated with the tea industry? Options are Panipat, Haryana, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Darjeeling, West Bengal, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Right option is C, Darjeeling, West Bengal. Next question, Barakhar is the tributary of which of the following rivers? Options are Kaveri, Krishna, Ravi, Damodar. Right option is D, Damodar. Next question, which class of algae is commonly known as brown algae? Options are Rhodophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Chlorophyceae, Cryophyceae. Right option is B, Phaeophyceae. Next question, Mohenjo-daro belongs to which of the following civilization? Options are Maya civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization. Right option is B, Indus Valley civilization. Next question, which of the following is used as an antacid to neutralize stomach acidity? Options are iodoform, morphine, chlorine, magnesium hydroxide. Right option is D, magnesium hydroxide. Next question, Dangar dance comes from the Dangar community of dash. Options are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Goa. Right option is D, Goa. Next question, which of the following ocean is the smallest in the world? Options are Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Right option is B, Arctic Ocean. Next question, which vitamin is soluble in water? Options are vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C. Right option is D, vitamin C. Next question, the breaking up of the rocks on the Earth's surface is called as dash. Options are weathering, stacking, meandering, sorting. Right option is A, weathering. Next question, the Elephanta caves are located in which state? Options are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Right option is C, Maharashtra. Next question, which country shares a sea line border with India? Options are Maldives, Philippines, Fiji, Pakistan. Right option is A, Maldives. Next question, the Murmugua port is located in which of the following states? Options are Goa, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala. Right option is A, Goa. Thank you.